If you're on the lookout for the best AI video editing tool, you probably have Fliki in your radar already. But you might be thinking if it's the right AI tool for you. So in this video, we're going to help you decide once and for all if Fliki is the right AI tool for you. And stay tuned at the end because we've got another solution for you just in case Fliki is not the right tool that you're looking for. Let's get started. So first, let's talk about what exactly is Fliki. Fliki stands out in the AI video editing landscape for its ability to magically turn text, like blog articles or tweets, into engaging videos. Its main features include a variety of voices in multiple languages and dialects, a wide selection of images, video clips, and music assets, and the ability to generate AI images. Additionally, Fliki offers high-definition video output, catering to a range of content creation needs. Let's take a peek at how easy it is to create a video out of text. So the first thing you want to do is sign up for a free account using your email or Google account. And once you are done with that, you will be taken into the Fliki dashboard. Click New File to create a new project. And then choose the file type. In this case, it's gonna be video. Choose language. So as you can see, they have tons of language options. And then choose a dialect. And then type the file name that you want. Choose the aspect ratio or the resolution, whether you want it square, portrait, or landscape. So in this project, I'm going to use portrait. And the exciting thing here is that you can start with an existing written content and turn that into a video. So here I chose blog, but you can also choose a PowerPoint, tweet, or a product page. And you can even just start with an idea. But in this case, I'm going to use blog because we actually have tons of blogs already from our Vidpros website. Click submit once you are satisfied with all of your choices. Next is to copy the link of your blog and paste it here. I'm going to go ahead and click on summarize because I want it to be a super short video. And I'm going to click 30 seconds because it's going to be uploaded as a YouTube short. After you've chosen the length, you can actually choose as to what types of assets will be included in your video. So you can choose from stock media, AI media. You can also add AI avatars, sound effects, stickers, and even headings. But since this is a free account, I can only choose between stock media and AI media. I'm going to choose stock media because I feel that's definitely on brand for this project. And I'm going to choose video. What the AI will do is automatically pick videos that will fit the text of the blog post. Next is I'm going to click submit. After clicking submit, the AI will start working on your video. So the processing length will depend on how long your video is. And that's one of the reasons why I also chose 30 seconds so that I can quickly show you how fast it is to generate a video. And as you can see, it's right here. Once it's done creating the video, you'll be taken to the next screen where you can do some more tweaks and some more editing. So here you can see the scenes that are included in the 30-second video. And let's take a look at the script. What is fractional video editing and how it can help businesses? Businesses rebound from COVID-19, seeking new ways to stand out using video marketing. All right, so looking at the scenes very quickly, I think it's accurate for what I want this video to be. But I want to delete this scene too because right now it's 2024 and people have long forgotten about COVID. So I'm just going to edit that quickly. So I'm just going to delete that. And now the next scene has become scene 2. All in all, the script looks great without that scene. So for the background audio, it has automatically chosen the music, but I can also upload a file if I want to. But I usually don't want to do that because I'm not a video editor and I don't want to go deep into that editing process. I usually just trust the AI to choose the right music for me. So let's go ahead and watch the preview of the video. So I like the script and I like the AI voice, but with the videos that it chose for me, because it's looking a little like zoomed in and they are all illustrations, I want a more dynamic stock video. So all I have to do is go ahead and choose the video that I like. So for example, I kind of like this one and it's free. So I'm going to choose that one. And for this one, I will choose another video. So what I'm doing is I'm actually choosing different videos but have a similar style. That way it's not completely jarring when it's transitioning. So it's actually great at providing suggestions on which stock video I should use. I'm just making sure that I'm choosing the free option, and as you can see, the ones with the lock icon is something that I can't use. So I think this one looks great. And last slide. Alright, so I was able to choose videos for each of the scenes. Since it's a 30-second video, I only have to choose 5 different scenes, so it was very quick. So you can see the preview of the video you've chosen here, so just in case you want to change it again, you can quickly view it here. So now let's take a look at the final tweaks that I did and see if we like the video.
What is fractional video editing and how can it help businesses? Vidpros. Fractional video editing offers a budget-friendly, quality-focused solution in economic hardships. It assigns dedicated editors to projects, ensuring personalized attention and swift turnaround. Benefits include increased productivity, higher quality work, and cost savings for companies. Fractional video editing empowers businesses to focus on core objectives and enhance brand awareness.
For this video, I don't think we need music, but if you need music, you can go ahead and click choose file and choose from the music provided. Similar to the videos, you can add music that doesn't have the lock icon for the free account. I'm pretty satisfied with the clips and the script, and I don't need music, so I'm gonna go ahead and download this video. Start export. So as you can see, I'll be notified via email when the file is ready to download, and it provides very clear instruction that you can close the pop-up and continue working on other files. So as you can see, it's super easy to turn a blog post or any text really into a video using Fliki. But let's go a little bit deeper and discuss the pros and cons of Fliki. So Fliki's got a lot going for it, especially if you're after an editing tool that's more like a helpful buddy than a complicated software. So the first thing that I've noticed is that it's super user-friendly. It took me less than 5 minutes to figure out where everything is and create a 30-second video. So they also have a bunch of templates and audio options that make spicing up your story pretty fun. And as you've heard, the AI voices, they're kind of realistic and not as robotic as other AI voices. And the price point is also pretty reasonable. We'll discuss that a little bit later, but all in all, if you're looking for an AI tool that instantly turns any text into video, Fliki is a great solution. But of course, it's not perfect. According to other creators, they have issues with caption control wherein you can't really tweak how much text shows up versus what's spoken. And for those making longer videos, you might hit a limit on how many sections you can add. So just something to keep in mind. So Fliki offers a range of pricing tiers to suit different user needs. Their free plan is great for starters, providing 5 minutes of credits monthly, along with the access to a limited range of voices and 720p video quality. For more extensive needs, the standard plan at $28 per month offers 180 minutes of credits, 1,000 plus voices and full HD videos, and the premium plan at $88 per month ups the ante with 600 minutes, advanced AI features like voice cloning, and even longer video lengths. Make sure to go to fliki.ai for the latest pricing. Alright, now let's talk about Vidpros, an alternative solution that's not necessarily AI but can work with your AI workflows. So Vidpros is a great alternative for those seeking a more personalized touch in their video editing process. It's perfect for creators who prefer the finesse of professional editing to complement or go beyond what AI tools offer. With Vidpros, you get fractional video editing services, meaning dedicated attention from skilled editors for each of your projects. This service is all about blending the efficiency of technology with the creative insights of human experts. So whether you're using AI for initial edits or need a full range of editing services, Vidpros offers flexibility, quality, and a tailored approach to meet your specific content needs. If you want to learn more about Vidpros, just go to vidpros.com or click the link below the video. Alright, there you have it. We hope that this video helped you make a decision whether to get Fliki or explore other alternatives. And if you're exploring other alternatives, we actually have a playlist called AI Video Tools, so you can explore more AI tools that works perfectly for you. So make sure to go ahead and watch that. If you like this guide, please do give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more YouTube videos. My name is Irene Chan, and thanks for watching.